Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to make a quick video on getting this rear deck to stop rattling. If you have an aftermarket sub, which I do, mine's not too crazy, it's about a 400 watt sub. I'll show you a quick, easy way to get the rattles to stop, because when I first installed it, you know, I didn't really get too much out of it, but as time goes on, things loosen up a little bit, or especially when it's cold, it's worse. When it's warmer now, it's not as bad. But I'll show you just a quick fix to stop the buzzing noises you'll get out of this without having to take everything apart and basically dyno-mat or soundproof it, which a lot of people do. So I'm going to show you what I did on the backside. So this is my sub setup. It's a JL micro sub. Very happy with it. It's an all-in-one. So the amp is all built in, nice, clean, very easy to remove. And that's basically the sub. And as far as the rattles go, the fix was so easy. The Velcro I used to hold the box on, I had the soft side. You can see the Velcro's up there. Keeps it in place because I didn't want it to be a permanent solution. But if you look up in here, I shoved that Velcro up in here. I'll pull it out for you so you can see it. I just basically folded some up, and I'll pull it out so you can see. I just basically rolled some Velcro up like so. Stupid cheap fix, you don't even know it's up there. And this is the rear deck. Right past this point here, there's your light. It's right up in here. You could actually feel the plastic in there. So I did one here, and I did another one. Where is it? I believe you can see it kind of. There you go. I shoved the other one right up in here. So just on both sides of the light, and you could basically just roll something up like this. And what you can do is you're gonna push it into here and create a little tension on the plastic. That's the rear deck where the rear speakers are. And that's gonna stop you from getting a rattle from your sub and stuff like that. And it's just a cheap, easy, quick way to get it to stop rattling, besides taking, you know, the back seats out, the whole rear deck off. Like, I didn't do a full stereo system on this, and I'm very happy with it. And now that I use this stupid little easy method, I managed to get the rattles out of the trunk, and it sounds so much better. Like, I'm not gonna lie, honestly, certain songs I would avoid listening to because of the type of music would create more rattles and you know, the bass note. So basically almost everything I listen to now has no rattle with this setup. So this will definitely help you out. You could use anything, microfiber towel, just cut a small piece, basically bunch it up like so, and just force it into that area, and you can't even see it's in there until I actually show you. So it's not like you're ever gonna see it, and it works out quite well. So I just figured I'd give you guys that quick tip, and that's pretty much it for today, guys. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll be more than happy to answer. So take care, guys. Thanks for watching.